Hi and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to sort multiple columns of data. Let's say that we need to organize the table which we have in this sheet according to one criterion. For example, we want to see in the top rows of the table those products which were sold the most. If we do it with a regular sorting, like the one which we have in these two boxes, it will mix all of the data, and our table will use its relevance. What we need to do is to select the whole table, and once we have done that, we will click on Custom Sort. The dialog box which opens allows us to select which will be the column we are sorting by. I'll pick Volume. It will sort on values. Under Order, we need to select how the data is going to be sorted. We have to choose whether we want the data to be organized from the smallest to the largest value or from the largest to the smallest. Let's select largest to smallest. OK. The data in the whole table was sorted according to the volume of sales. This is how we can sort the data in a table based on a custom criterion. Thanks for watching.